Hello, my name is Broadband Link, and today I'm going to show you how to make your webcam look amazing. So I'm actually recording this on a C922, believe it or not. Looks pretty good, right? All right, check this out. All right, so I'm going to put my face over the center screen capture so you guys don't see like infinity. So check this out. All right, so this is what your webcam will look like right out of the box. Like you can see, I got some gnarly looking colors going on. I mean, I got excellent lighting, but it looks like garbage. So let me show you how to change it real quick. So we're gonna go into our snap cam. I'm gonna right click, hit properties, okay? Now, again, I use snap camera. A link will be in the description for that. But this is my webcam right here. So you want to click configure video. This screen here is going to pop up. Okay. So all you do is uncheck focus, exposure, and low light composition. Hit apply. Go to video proc amp. Uncheck white balance. Find what looks good in your room. For me, I already know roughly about 4500 works good. So right about there. What I'm looking for is like if my skin color really looks the way I want it to, okay? And if for gain, this is super important. You see how we're dark? See how we're super oversaturated? So we're gonna find that perfect level. In my lighting situation, about 100 works good for me. So I'm gonna hit apply, I'm gonna hit okay. I'm gonna switch this back over to my snap camera, okay? So now I look like this. Big improvement, right? Before, after. But we're not done. We got lots more we could do, guys. Lots more. So again, right click here, hit properties, okay? What you want to do, there we go. So what you want to do here is you don't want it to do device default, okay? Hit custom. Go for the highest you have. Don't worry about frame rate. Go for the highest picture quality you have. So for me, I'm able to do 1080p 30. Video format, leave that alone. Color space, you're going to want to change that to 709. Look at the difference just when I select it. And in color range, go full. See, we're getting better colors already. We're going to hit OK. Now that that's done, let's stretch this out. Okay. So now that that's there, we're going to last step, right click, filters. Okay. So you want to add color correction. I did scaling and aspect ratio just to make it look better if I resize it. So here you would just hit add. You want to do color correction. And then for scaling and aspect ratio, you go scaling and aspect ratio. Okay. Aspect ratio and scaling, always go for this one. This is the best one we have. And then just do your resolution if you want it to be, 10, standard HD definition, which I like. I want to show off my room. Color correction is a good one. So check this out. Look at the difference. Before, after, before, after, before, after. I think it looks a lot better. So these are the settings I use. I take away some gamma, add a little contrast, a little bit of brightness, and everything else I leave the same. So that's what I like to do, because if you notice my background, like just focus on my background. It's brighter, it's darker. You see what I'm saying? It's brighter, it's darker. I'm darker too, but I feel like my skin is more of a natural color now. See? Before, after. And like a lot of people upgrade to a DSLR camera or a mirrorless because they don't want this look. They want this look. It's a color correction, click of a button. I'm actually going to be upgrading to a better camera soon because I do want one for more vlogging purposes and things like that. So that being said, I'll do a comparison video before, but everything this is being done is on the Logitech C922, which is the same thing as C9. Yeah, the only difference is you can't get that 720p 60 frames per second, but I don't even use it. I use 1080p 30 because I like the image quality more than the movement. Because realistically, like, I'm not in the background dancing, so I'm just sitting here, I'm talking. It's not a big deal. And if you're a console gamer, like I am kind of, I do all gaming, but they all run kind of at 30 frames per second anyway. So, I mean, shooting that out there. So yeah, there's your short, quick tutorial on how to make your webcam look better. This should work with pretty much any webcam. Just find what works for your room. Make sure you have good lighting. I wish I knew this when I started streaming because my webcam looked pretty bad. It's the same webcam though, much better quality. Huge shout out to Matthew. Matthew, you're my first member. Appreciate you. Thanks again. I do tutorials, let's plays, and just goofy stuff. Check me out. I'll see you guys on the next video. I hope you have a great rest of your day.